Howdy, welcome to Display and Explain channel. In this video, we are going to see how to glue an LED with Arduino Uno board. So let's get started. So in this, we are going to be using a software called TINKERCAD. This is an open source free software. We can use it for building circuits on software online. So we have to first sign in. We can get TINKERCAD by searching in the Google, and we have to sign up, and we can start building your circuits. I'll attach the link in the description where you can use the software. So now let's get started with the video. First, let's grab all the components. First is the Arduino board. Next, breadboard. We can rotate the Arduino to our convenience like this. This is the rotate option. Now let's bring it over here. Next, we need a slide switch, 2 LEDs, 2 resistors. Let's change the resistor value to 330 ohms. This resistor too. Yeah. Now let's bring a battery. And a 5-volt regulator. So this is all we need. Then if you want to bring in wire, you can just touch on the place and just bring in wire. So this is to connect both the positive sides of the breadboard. This is to connect both the negative side of the breadboard, which will be ground. So this is done now. Next, let's take in wire from here till here. Then again here till here. Then from here till the inner hub. Here till the outer hub. Now let's attach this first and second terminals of the switch, the same column as the wires, and here. So this is the position for the switch and 5-volt regulator. I'll be explaining this circuit briefly in the previous videos. I'll give the link for that also in the description box. Now let's connect the battery. Negative. Positive. Now we're given the switch and voltage regulator connections. Now let's give the LED connection. And in the anode of the LED, a 330 ohms resistor from the resistors leg to the outer hub, and in the inner hub, in the ground. So that's for the switch connection. Now let's check it. Yeah, it's working. Now let's give the Arduino LED connection. Connect the LED and the 330 ohms resistor to the outer hub. And we have to connect the cathode in a digital pin. So I'm going to be using digital pin 10. So this is the LED connections for the Arduino. Now we have to code it. But before that, we have to give power supply for the Arduino. So from the Arduino's 5 volts to the outer hub and ground in the inner hub. So this is all the connections. Now we are going to do the coding part. I'm going to be using text code. So the code is already ready made. The template is already given. We are going to add a slight changes to that. We connected the LED in pin number 10. And it's an output device. So we'll be giving output. And here also we are going to change it to 10. Because that's the pin where we have connected the LED. And it's going to be low. Low for glowing. And ensure it's caps. Now let's remove the rest of the codes. We removed the rest of the codes. Now let's start the simulation. So it says it's an error. Digital write pin number 10. While loop, low was not. So the error is because we're given the L in lower case. Now let's give it in higher case. Now let's check the simulation. It's working. Both LEDs are glowing. So that's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.